Welcome to the forest, where all the animals are busy and happy. But today, we have a special story about a fox named Felix, who had a very peculiar problem. Felix the fox loved playing with his friends in the forest, but there was one tiny problem. He couldn't stop sneezing. Maybe it's the pollen from the flowers. Let's ask Wise Old Owl for help. Sneezing, you say? Let me take a look. Oh dear, Felix, you have a tickle in your nose. Try taking a deep breath and drinking some water. Sometimes a little rest helps too. Felix followed Wise Old Owl's advice. He took a deep breath, drank some water, and rested a bit. And so, Felix learned that when things get a little tricky, a bit of advice and care can make everything better. And guess what? He never let a sneeze stop him from having fun with his friends. Thanks for joining us for the story of Felix the Fox who couldn't stop sneezing. Remember, whenever you have a problem, there's always a way to make things better. See you next time.